Hello students, as I am your English teacher, today we are going to start with a new session. As you all are welcome to our classes, it's really nice to teach you all. Hope you all are fine and healthy. Let's start with the study from now. Today we will read new chapter from our grammar book, the sentences and its kind. Let us follow the book. A sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete thought. A sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. For example, now read the example given below. The first one, the girl is riding a bicycle. Second one, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Third one, who is your best friend? Question mark. As student, these are three types of sentence which are given in a different form with different with different sentences says different meaning. But there's something to add which differentiate the meanings of sentence in a different way and in different intents and different emotion. Like we will read phrase, a group of words which make sense but do not give the complete meaning is called a phrase. For example, some examples are given here. In the house, the second one 5 o'clock, and third one in the east. All the above examples are phrases because they do not give a complete sense. Now we will read the difference between sentences and phrases. See the first one, sentences give a complete meaning but phrases do not. The second one, we use correct punctuation marks in sentences but in phrases we may not use the punctuation mark. In sentences we use verb, out in a phrase we may or may not use verbs. Now we will read about kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First one we will read assertive or declarative sentences. An assertive or declarative sentences is a simple sentence. It states a fact or thought or opinions. It ends with a full stop. These are normal sentences which we use really in our life for communication from each other. These ends with full stop. Now student, turn the page and come to page number 6. For example, the tiger is a national animal. It is a rainy day today. I want to buy a computer by this year. Now we will read the next one, interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentences ask a questions. It ends with a question mark. For example, have you seen the red fort? Question mark. The second one, where do you live? Question mark. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Question mark. These are some examples of interrogative sentences. Now imperative sentences. An imperative sentences express order, command, advice or suggestion. It ends with a full stop. Like examples are given here. Please help me. It's a sentence kinds of request. When we do request, we use please. Obey your parents. It's an advice. Close the window. It's an order. Shoot down the enemy. It's a command. We will read about exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentences express a strong feeling or emotion such as joy, surprise, wonder, sorrow, etc. It ends with an exclamation mark. For example, what a pretty girl. How clever you are. What a big house it is. Oh, my toy car is broken. Some grammars recognize a fifth type, the optative sentence. What a optative sentence? An optative sentence expresses an ardent wish, prayer, curse, etc. We use these types of sentence when we wish something or pray something. We use an exclamation mark or a full stop at the end of these sentences. Now here, students, there are some exercises we will do. See the A1. Tick the correct option. An assertive sentence ends with a full stop. A negative sentence conveys the negative meaning, things about the subject. And dash sentence conveys a positive things about the subject. The third one, and dash sentence convey positive things about the subject. The C1 is imperative sentences. The fourth one, phrases gives us incomplete sense of sentences. Now come to exercise B. Identify the kinds of sentences and write in the blanks. My father has bought a new car. Declarative sentences. The second one, when did you come here, is interrogative sentences. Why do you believe that? Interrogative sentences. Fourth one, I want to know why you believe that. Declarative sentences. Fifth one, please accept my apology. Imperative sentences. How brave he is. Exclamatory sentences. Now the exercise C, student, identify the phrases and sentences in the following and write in the space provided. You have to do with your own brain. Try to do this exercise of your own, because you have to write the sentences. You have to make the sentences in the form of phrases are given and you have to make the sentence. Now come to page number 8. Now come to exercise D. Write whether the sentence is declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. The first one, did Manish succeeded in his goal? Interrogative. Second one, watch out for a squirrel. Exclamatory. Third one, do you like chocolate milk? Is a declarative sentence. I was reading a book is a declarative. Fifth one, do not make a noise. Imperative sentence. Now come to exercise E. Make sentences with the following phrases. Guys, this exercise is also you have to do of your own. Try this exercise in your homework. Students, do complete all the exercises in your books with the help of pencil and complete this exercise E in your book. Thank you, student, for the day, and stay connected with your studies and take care and keep yourself healthy and stay connected with your studies and do complete your work in your book. Soon we will come back to school and we will continue all chapters and course.